Ain't nobody tell me that you can wear a V-part with no leave out. Okay, I really love how it turned out. I feel like this looks natural. Like I could go out the house with it.
It's TJ, remember the name. No, it's TJ. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so boom, today we're installing the Nadula Scalp Look Water Curly V-Part wig with finger coil ends in the inches of 24. Y'all, I love these curls. I love this type of curl. Anyway, this is their new upgraded V-Part design with counter pressure technology. So you get a natural crown without needing any freaking leave out, y'all. Now, I was shook because I'm like, I know you lying, but they was not lying. So anyway, it features their Visi blend, which means the part area blends right into your own scalp for a seamless look. Now, I'm going to show y'all my favorite way to install this so it does look like it's growing straight out of your head. Now, I did do flat twists. Now, y'all see they too fresh. We do not need them fresh. I had to wait till they get a little bit old and raggedy to do this install. So I did make some of them bigger too because I felt like it just helps. The flatter and neater your roots are, the more wiggy it can look, especially when you tilt your head down. So this style definitely works best when the roots have some volume and texture, which matches the natural lift of the wig's and Visi blend design. Now basically, instead of sliding the combs right along the part, I clip them into the center of the twist. This keeps the wig secure while letting the counter pressure design do its job, giving that natural crown effect without leave out. Like it's almost like the crochet look, but with more density at the root, so it blends beautifully with the curls. And this is the vibe that we are going for. And when I tell y'all this method is amazing, and no shade, it was just that with the crochet method, I'm not doing all that. I'm sorry, I'm not. I watched tons of videos before I actually installed it, and I was trying to see if I could create my own method to do this to get that look without doing that. So anyway, I also was big on, like, when I tilt my head down, like say I'm looking at my plate, eating my food, tying my shoe, I was not trying to have that wiggy look at the top. Like it's just sitting up there. I did not like that when when I've seen other people's videos. And in the first clip, when y'all see my fresh twist, when I installed it, that's how it was looking. I think I'm gonna insert the clip in here so y'all can see. I did not like that. So y'all can compare the clips to see which one y'all think looked better, but I think this way looked better versus how I had it. Pretty much for this style is just definitely volume and density. That's all you really want for this look. There shouldn't be nothing nice and neat with this look. But look at the freaking curls. Oh, the curls. But look at this up close. I had to show you guys some up close clips so y'all can see what I'm saying. Even when I put my head down, ain't nobody coming for me and clocking me because they can't. So now I'm just going to go ahead and trim up the curls. I did that in the first install, but that's neither here or there. But I hope y'all got a gist of what I was saying. I hope I was clear. And, well, we need to cover up that track there. But I hope y'all get what I'm saying in the install method. Hopefully I made sense because I'm not good at explaining stuff that I'm trying for the first time. So, yeah. Y'all know how everybody does the flip over method? Baby, get a V-part and do this. This looks so freaking natural and it's super easy. Just make sure you are covering up the tracks at the center. On the sides as well. Just put some hair down over it. If you need a little bit of hairspray to help, keep anything down, you could do that. But y'all, this was super simple. You cannot tell me this is not raw real hair. And again, I didn't even want my baby hairs to be stuck down. I wanted them loose, flowy, and fluffy, maybe a little bit frizzy as well. So I was putting water on them so they can be, frizzy. Because again, the look is not polished. It's like a natural look. So that is what I was going for.
I'm not gonna be no shady or anything, but the way that most people were wearing it, I said it didn't look realistic, so I wasn't gonna wear it. I wanted to look, when I look down, I don't want to be looking like, or even here, because of course when you look down it's gonna look a certain way. If you look up close, it's gonna look a different way. I am obsessed. Okay, I feel like it looks so natural. The method that I did it was, I had to make sure that my twisties were messy. Like, it could not be nice, neat. It could not, the roots had to be puffy, so that when I went to clip in the combs, it would sit in between, like, the puffiness of the root and the base of the twisties. I just don't know what to say. I'm excited. Okay, I really love how it turned out. I feel like this looks natural. Like, I could go out the house with it. This is a perfect style to be worn definitely when you're in between styles. Like, okay, your base of the braids raggedy, right? Throw this wig on, you got you a whole style easily. Now again, if you have issues with the track showing, just mess it up, use some hairspray, you know. Also, if you feel like these type of units, like with the combs in them, if it feels too tight around your head, make sure your base of the braids, for one, is not fresh, and two, make sure the comb placement, if it's too tight, loosen it up and lay it flat. You don't have to try to put the whole comb through the whole section. Push it up. That's why I say your roots have to be puffy. Push it up and then lay the comb in between it, and then just lay it until it feels not tense and snug on your head, because that was always a problem that I encountered with Vpart or any type of like clip-in. It was like tugging and tension. I don't like that. With this, I only use the combs at the top. I did a little bit of the drawstring in the back to help secure it. The combs on the side I did not put in. You don't need it. Now, if you need it, if your head is a certain shape, but my head is kind of big, so I don't need those combs. I love it. I love the new method that I came up with, and hopefully I showed it and broke it down properly. I don't really know how to be explaining some of the stuff that I'll be coming up with, so hopefully it makes sense. As far as this hair, y'all, this hair is down. Okay, I did wash it with Pattern Beauty. I'll leave the link in below. So this hair is nice and soft and fluffy. Again, this, I didn't even define this hair, right? So I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. I hope you guys enjoy it. I definitely would recommend it. For my beginners, for the girls who don't got nothing to wear in between styles, you need it.